In File Explorer, open up Pictures and create two new folders. The first is called one.unsorted photos, and the second is called two.organized photos. Next, we want to go ahead and open up one.unsorted photos folder and upload our first media device. Once we've done that, we want to change the view to detailed and then sort by date. Once it's in date order, then we can change the view again to extra large icon. Now reduce down this folder view so that it covers only half of your screen. And open up a second view of the exact same folder, one.unsorted photos, and keep it in list view. So you're looking at the same folder in two different views, and we want to move it so both folders are visible. Now look at the photos that you can see on the left-hand side, and using your naming convention on the right-hand side, go ahead and start a new folder for the photos you can see. So these are my pets, and so using my naming convention, I'm creating a new folder for them. Next, I want to go ahead and just start to sort like with like. So at this stage, all I'm doing is putting similar photos into the folder. Now, as I do this, if I see a double up that is very quick for me to figure out which one I want, I will go ahead and delete it. But that is not the focus. The focus is putting like-minded photos together. Now, as I'm going through my photos, if I see a completely different theme, so let's say it was a trip photo, photos from a trip that came up, I would create a new folder for those trips, and I would go ahead and create a new folder for that one. Now, let's say that's all you can manage for that day, and you go away and lots of things happen and you cannot continue decluttering for a while and have no idea where you're up to. If you open up the folder one.unsorted photos and it looks like the screen that you can see now, with just the folders and no loose photos, then you know that it's time to upload the next device. If, on the other hand, you open up one unsorted photos and you can see that there are loose photos that haven't been sorted yet, then you know it's time to continue sorting the remaining photos. So that really helps know where you're up to. Once all media storage has been uploaded and you've sorted like with like into folders, it's time to declutter. Open up your first sorted folders, make sure it's in large icon view and in date order, and then referencing your boundaries and rules, start to declutter your photos. Once you've finished decluttering, once again, we want to create that two File Explorer views side by side. On the right-hand side, I've opened up two.organized photos in list view. And on the left-hand side, I've opened up one.unsorted photos in list view. And I'm creating my broad categories under two.organized photos. And now all we need to do is file the albums from one unsorted to two organized photos. This is a snippet from my digital photo organizing live workshop. I'll link more details below in case you're interested.